Moscow Power Engineering University. Moscow Power Engineering University is one of the main technical universities in Russia in the field of power engineering, electrical engineering, radio engineering and electronics, informatics and computer science. Founded in 1930. The area of modern power engineering includes actually power engineering, hydropower, wind power, thermal, nuclear, solar and space power, etc., electrical equipment, sciences about materials, electronics, classical and applied physics, radio engineering and communication, computer systems, management and economics and power engineering. So all these spheres and other directions of the special training are available in Moscow Power Engineering University for foreign undergraduate and graduate students. Moscow Power Engineering University has been training engineers and scientists for foreign countries since 1946. At present, about 1,700 foreign students from 68 countries are trained at Moscow Power Engineering University. In the category Engineering, Electrical Engineering and Electronics, Moscow Power Engineering University has ranked 8th among Russian universities, and in the world it has been in the 401 place position among the best universities. Now I give a floor to the speaker, the representative of Moscow Power Engineering University, Ms. Irina Sazonova, who is a specialist of Department of International Relations. Please, you're welcome.
Hello, everyone. Dear guests, thank you very much. Yes, my name is Irina, and I would like to give you a brief information about our university. I also would like to say that I'm not only the worker of this university, but I'm also a student. So, can we go to the second slide, please? I would like to tell you about the history and nowadays of our university. Our university was established in 1930 for the purpose of preparation high-skilled specialists for the development of electricity. At that time, the state plan for the electrification of the whole Soviet Union was adopted to create a large industrial economy of the country, so good specialists were needed. Our university has been developing all the time, and you can see in 1992, we were honored to get a high status, the status of technical university. Later in 2010, we obtained a high status of National Research University. For now, 20,000 students are studying, and we have all levels of studying: bachelor, master, PhD, Doctor of Science, and etc. Next slide, please.
Oh yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, you can see the main institutes, like faculties in Germany, schools in Russia. There are 12 of them. And at first glance, you may see, wow, what a diversity, because we have not only technical specializations, but also for those students who want to study the humanities studies. Let's go next. I would like to show you the infrastructure advantages allocated at once, so our students need to waste time from getting from one place to another one, wasting their time, their money. There are different shops, different malls, centers, and different facilities to entertain and to relax, to eat. Also, we have 3 more branches around the Russian Federation in Smolensk, Volsky, Konakovo, and 2 branches in Dushanbe and Tashkent. Next slide, please. As I have already mentioned, all the buildings are located at one place, and there are dormitories that are located really close to the main buildings where our students have their study, and they have different facilities. So you can see the kitchen, the washing machines, so different gadgets. Yes.
Miss Irina, are dormitories and hostel are closely connected with the university, or students need, for instance, a train or a bus or a metro to go there?
No, they can just go by foot. For example, it takes 15 minutes to get
That's
from
great.
the dormitory. Yeah, of course, that's great. And there are different shops, so they can go and buy food or just eat.
Before classes begins, okay?
Yes, of course. Yes, and the amount, the cost for the dormitories is about $70
Per
per
month?
night. Uh,
Okay.
yes, per month. Yeah,
Okay.
per month. Okay, let's go next. We have lots of partner universities. For now, we have more than 150 agreements with partner universities and with 76 countries. And we do like playing rankings. The next slide, please. We have improved our positions according to the World University Ranking. We obtained the position among all universities between 351 to 400. Also, we are proud that we have the eighth place in this universities past job. We'll see what will be this time. Next slide, please. So proud about the international recognition of our university. We have different orders and medals. You can see on the next slide. Yeah, here. Thank you. So for the next years, we obtained the Order of Labor, the first degree of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, and the Order of the Polar Star of Mongolia. Next slide. Also, we are proud that there are different honorary doctors that come to meet our students, to support the research works. Yes, also we have honorary professors.
Do these honorary professors, do they have practice? Do they have studies, practical for students at your university?
Some of them, yes. And before the pandemic, yes, that's interesting. And before the pandemic, we welcomed some professors and doctors. For example, Mr. Alum, he came to our university to tell about his cycle work, and it was really a huge event because he came and our students could see hear the story of how he improved this process, like tete-a-tete, just have a talk with this honorary professor. Also, let's go next. We do have integration with energy, engineering, and national economy. Our university is a member of the most important expert groups concerning power industry with different organizations like Ministry of Energy of the Russian Federation, State Duma, and etc. And we have different cooperation with lots of companies, as you can see by the labels. Let's go next.
Okay.
Yeah, our university is a scientific center with a large number of research laboratories, and we have our own training thermal power plant. In winter, when it's cold, it supplies with heat energy all our buildings. Next slide, please. And also we have some laboratories with modern equipment, as you can see here by the slide. Next slide, please. In 2018, Minister of Energy, Mr. Novak, opened the laboratory with the Department of Thermal Power Plants with the support of Siemens. Yes, so we are really proud because there are modern computers, modern equipment. So for our students.
So that
And
the
also
studying
we have,
process will go smoothly.
yes, it's true, of course. And concerning the innovations, during this pandemic, our young students and researchers were developing the digital catalog. It presents the main buildings and different product, different features, laboratories, company for equipment, see laboratory works and how it works. All right, let's go to slide.
Next slide.
In 1946, we started to train the first foreign students at Moscow Power Engineering University. For now, yes, here you can see the digital catalog. And the next slide, please. Yes. So, 1946 Union period, and our country was closed for international students. The very first two universities who obtained the special possibility to accept foreign students were Lomonosov University and we. So the fact to be proud of. And now we have 1,007 from 17 now. For those students who want to study in the Russian language, we have a preparatory course. They'll learn the Russian language from the first semester, and next they'll learn technical subjects also in the Russian language.
Okay.
Next slide,
Irina,
please.
yeah, we are running out of time, so that you can probably come up. Yeah. Okay, you can continue.
Okay, so I will just speak 10 seconds for each slide. Of course, we have the Russian language department. Next slide. Yes. And for those students who would like to obtain 2 diplomas, the next slide, please. We have double degree programs with different universities. You can see there are some universities with which we have been cooperating many times.
Okay.
Next slide, please. We have large academic mobility. Our students participate, and you can visit our website and see the reviews of our students of different programs, Erasmus, Ilmenau programs, and so on. The next slide.
Next.
I also would like to say that we have foreign graduates we are proud of. For example, the President of China, the Minister of Communications and Information Technologies, and so on. So who knows, maybe you will be a prominent scientist after graduation from our university. The next slide, please. It is of highly importance. How to enter. You can visit our website and there is a button, I want to study at MPI. And there you can see the application form. If you have any questions, this slide. If you have any questions, you can write an email to study@mpi.ru. So our workers will answer all your questions. So the next
Yeah,
slide,
students, you can
please.
also go to the virtual stand of this university for more information on our platform.
Yeah.
Please be free to do it.
Yeah. Yes, and if they are interested to understand and see more numbers about our university, about the history, I can download this presentation so they can see it one more time. Okay, and the next slide, it will be the last one. So yes, our university is really one of the greatest in Moscow, and we will be really glad if you choose us. And thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Miss.
If you
Miss
have any
Irina.
questions, you may ask.
Yeah, traditionally, two questions from our side for our future students to get more information about your university. So, what nuclear-related programs can your university offer to the foreign students? Just shortly, please. Yeah. Nuclear-related programs.
Sorry, the connection was bad.
Yeah,
Can
once
you?
again, what nuclear-related programs can your university offer to the foreign students? Miss Irina, do you hear me? I think, yeah,
Nuclear related.
programs. I'm sorry, unfortunately, there are some technical problems from the university side. We couldn't hear the speaker very well. Maybe we can give her some more time so that she can answer our question. Miss Irina, do you hear us?
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Miss Irina. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, dear guests and our future students and participants of our virtual fair, because of some technical problems, we cannot hear the answer from the university side, but I hope we will have it. We can have our time with them in future. So we have come to the end of our third webinar with Moscow Power Engineering University. For more information, you can visit their virtual stand and find their programs, nuclear related programs, and all the other information for your attention. Thank you very much for being with us. We will meet you in the fourth webinar with Peter the Great, St. Petersburg Polytechnic University. Thank you very much. Bye.